Now I have removed my chart, so you can see over here there are no fields and formatting available. But for now I have a blank canvas, or you can see a blank page layout. So here I can see the formatting options related to my page. Now whenever you create a blank page, you have the information related to this page. For example, page information, we'll go over here like name. You can change the name of the page from here. In my case, I will name it to my chart, H-A-R-T. Oops. So you can see over here, and I have already discussed in the previous videos that if you want to change the name of the page, so you can also do it by right clicking on the page tab and rename page. So you can do it by here as well. Other options of this page information like tooltip and queue, question and answers will be covered in the upcoming videos. Now we will discuss about the page size. Whenever you create a page in Power BI, by default its width and height is around 16:9. This is the ratio. And if you want to increase or decrease the width and height of the page, so you can select the other options from here. If it's like this, so it will become like this. And if you want to set a custom size to your page, simply go to custom and input your desired height and width of the page. This thing is very much helpful when people fetch the dashboard to their websites and they want to adjust the size of the dashboard accordingly. Then if you want to change the background of the page, so you can do it easily by working on the page background options. You can set images and colors too. By default the color of the canvas is white, so we can change it to other, like if I go over here and set up some transparency, so here you go, you've changed the color. You can also set the brightness from here, and you can set the background images as well. If you want to place logo on the canvas, so of your company or organizations, you can also do that easily. And there are some related properties of the background images as well, so we're gonna add some logo over here, and I hit open. So you can see over here we have image visible in the background. And if I do not want an image, so I will delete from here by clicking this cross sign. Here you go. I will go back from here and change the size to the default one, so I have the proper visibility of the page size. So now what I'll do here, I'll select the clustered column chart and select sales and managers. And I also go back to change the background and select the custom column chart from here and select the sales and managers and sales. I will click over here and focus mode on. Now you can see that in the fields area we have a manager. In the axis and in the values we have sales, and for now there is no legend over here. Other options are also enabled in the field section. We'll definitely see the options in the next session. If I go to format, so you can see that the properties are now available over here related to the chart. And similarly you can see the new tool has been enabled called analytics that was not visible before. and also has some options that we'll discuss in our next sessions. So far in this session, we tried to learn about the field and format sections of Microsoft Power BI.